Well, from home renovation to breakfast foods, avocado, bread, and eggs, it sounds like a recipe for success and certainly a breakfast favorite. We are talking avocado toast. This is Dave Ernst of First Watch. He is here to show us exactly how to make your entire kitchen just smell like great avocados and, of course, how to do this right. So what's the first step?
Well, it's pretty easy. I mean, it's a great recipe. It's just fresh avocados, salt and pepper, and lemon. And what we like to do is get some chunks in our avocados, mix it up to your taste, and then put it on a nice thick piece of artisan whole grain bread. And you're good to go.
Right now is about the time I wish they had smell-o-vision because it smells so good in here. And you actually also start with an egg. So what are we doing over there?
We serve them with basted eggs, which is a little bit of a healthier version of a fried egg. You put in your spray and your eggs, and then once the white's set, you add about a tablespoon of water around the outside, put a lid on it, and it'll steam over the top, and there you go.
Okay, and is avocado toast, is this a seasonal item at First Watch?
It used to be. We ran it in 2015, and it was super popular, so we put it on the menu, and it's been incredible ever since.
Okay, so I see some eggs over there. We probably want to get started.
Okay.
And do you want to put something down to make sure it doesn't stick? What's kind of the process?
This will be our like a butter or a cooking spray. So we just put that down. We'll add our eggs, and then once the white's set, we'll add the water around it. We'll put the lid back on it, and we're good to go.
Well, that sounds awesome. Now, you've probably been with First Watch for a while, so is this a favorite?
This is a big favorite. It's a favorite of mine. It's a favorite of just about everybody.
Okay, well, we've got all that beautiful green. I think we need to get it on the toast now.
All right. So what we'll do is we'll take a nice scoop, because we got a nice piece of bread there that'll handle all of that. We just put it down.
That's a lot of avocado, right?
Well, it's delicious. And then we will top it with a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. This is our Malden sea salt that we use.
Okay.
It's flaky. The cool thing is it's hand harvested, so it has a great flavor profile.
I was going to say that doesn't look like normal table salt, not at all.
And then we hit it with some fresh herbs, some parsley and chives, and we're ready to go. Then we'll just cut this, serve it with a lemon and our basted eggs. Bingo.
Well, that sounds like a perfect breakfast, but you also have some fresh cut granola. Why is this different at First Watch?
We make our granola in-house, so it's our own recipe. It's delicious, and we make that maybe depending on how much we sell every day. So.
And he's been hard at work in the kitchen already. You can see the finished product there also. That's a special type of egg. That's the basted egg.
Correct. You can see that the egg, the top has been steamed over. So it's a very nice looking egg.
And do people, when they come in, do they ever want the egg on top of the sandwich, or is that just too much? You can't get your mouth around it.
People do all kinds of stuff. We're really great with special orders. People change the eggs. They get over easy. They get scrambled. We're very accommodating, so we'll take any special order.
And talking about special orders, I see a couple special drinks over there. What are those?
Those are our fresh juices. We started that a couple years ago, and they are just incredible. In fact, we sell more fresh juice than we do soda now. So those are my favorite, the Kale Tonic.
Kale Tonic.
Which kind of tastes like an exotic apple juice. And then we have our Morning Meditation, which is a orange juice, fresh beets is what you see filtering down, fresh beet juice, and turmeric. So that's very popular as well.
Okay, and I am getting a wrap, but there's a trick so you don't have to wait in line for brunch on the weekends?
Absolutely. So we have an app, the First Watch app, and inside it's got a get in line.
Okay.
And you pick your nearest restaurant or your favorite First Watch, and you get in line, and it will notify you when you are getting close. So you can be sitting on your couch waiting to go instead of waiting at the restaurant.
I love that so much, Dave. Thank you. He gave us all the tips so you can use technology to your advantage to get to that breakfast food a little faster.
Excellent.
Well, there are 13 First Watches. They're getting ready to open up a 14th one in the greater Kansas City area. Go to firstwatch.com and you can find the closest one to you. Don't forget to download that app he just told us about. Check in the wait line and get there actually before you arrive.